Are you drained, feeling like you're running on a that's taking you nowhere? Are you seeking a path that reserves your health, relationships, and peace of mind while rewarding you lucratively? These are the burning questions plaguing the majority of people in this modern age. Our current job market, with its rigid 9-to-5 routine, relentless commutes, and unsatisfactory pay, is proving to be a harsh reality for countless individuals. We all know the struggle. The abrupt alarm clock shattering the tranquility of dawn, the hasty gobbled down, the grind of rush hour, and then the stretched hours confined within a cubicle, immersing in work that often seems pointless. This is the grim reality of the traditional job market. A system that devours your time, and giving back barely anything in return. We are stuck in a society where the cost of living is skyrocketing at a pace our wages can't keep up with, and job security is slowly becoming a relic of the past. We perpetually urged to labor more, to put in extra hours, to relinquish our personal time and well-being for a paycheck that barely pays the bills. It's a system structured to keep us trapped in a never-ending cycle, always on move, yet never reaching anywhere. But imagine, what if you could break free from this hamster wheel? What if you could regain control over your time, energy, and life? What if you could garner an income that mirrors the value you impart without needing to give up your health, your relationships, or your serenity? The dilemma with traditional jobs is not confined to the exhausting or the meager pay. It's the harsh reality that they often don't resonate our passions, ideals, or our aspiration to make a meaningful impact on the world. They leave us feeling depleted, discontented, and trapped in a vicious cycle of scarcity and struggle. But hold on, because today I'm here to unfold the answer to your financial struggles. It's time to shatter the constraints of the traditional job market. It's time to embrace an innovative way of earning that aligns with the modern world's, offers the potential for financial freedom, and values your time and energy. It's time for a revolution in the way we work and earn, and this begins right here, right now. Welcome to the golden chance of no-face affiliate marketing. The realm of online earnings might seem extensive and intricate, but what if you could sail this digital seascape without ever needing to reveal your identity? Yes, this lucrative opportunity offered by no-face affiliate marketing. You may wonder what no-face affiliate marketing is all about. Let me shed some light on it. It's an ingenious method where you endorse goods or services, earning a commission for each sale that's made through your affiliate link while remaining totally incognito. Picture this, you're an unseen influence behind a product's triumph, a specter within the digital realm, reaping the financial rewards without any need for personal branding or public acknowledgement. It's like penning a record-breaking novel, but your identity remains a secret. Yet the royalty checks keep flowing. The allure of no-face affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and the potential it offers for passive income. All you have to do is establish your affiliate links, generate compelling content that seamlessly integrates these links, and then relax as the sales start pouring in. What makes it better? You can execute this from any corner of the globe, armed with nothing more than a laptop and an internet connection. Whether you're endorsing cutting-edge gadgets, health supplements, or e-learning courses, the crucial factor is to choose products or services that truly resonate with you. Authenticity, even in the faceless realm of no-face affiliate marketing, is the key ingredient to success. Now, let's delve into figures. What's the earning potential of no-face affiliate marketing? To give you a hint, countless individuals are raking in an astonishing $20,500 per month. And bear in mind, this isn't a scheme to become a millionaire overnight. It's a legitimate business model that demands dedication, astute planning, and a touch of creativity. So here it is, a lucrative opportunity to earn $20,500 per month without ever having to reveal your identity. Intrigued? Join us as we explore further into the world of no-face affiliate marketing. Still doubting? Let me provide you with some tangible. Picture yourself pulling in a hefty $20,500 each month without a traditional 9-to-5 schedule or even having to show your face. Does it sound far-fetched? Let's delve into the real proof. We've been discussing no-face affiliate marketing, an innovator in the world of passive income, but don't just rely on our words. Let's explore some actual figures from individuals who've already embarked on this venture. These screenshots right here depict the profits of people who have tapped into the potential of no-face affiliate marketing. Each of these figures, you'll observe, totals a staggering $20,500 every month. That's right, monthly. Now think about this. These individuals were once in your shoes. They were curious, doubtful, and possibly a bit apprehensive. But they took the leap, implemented the strategies we've been laying out, and now they're enjoying the benefits. This isn't just an unreachable dream, folks. This is a reality for many, and it could be your reality too. No deception, no tricks, just a smart strategy and the possibility for significant earnings. It's natural to dismiss as an exception or a stroke of luck. After all, we're naturally skeptical of things that sound too good to be true. But these figures aren't exceptions. They're not strokes of luck. They're the result of a well-executed strategy in the domain of no-face affiliate marketing. Every screenshot you see here is a testament to what's achievable when you step outside the boundaries of conventional earning methods. These are individuals who've taken charge of their financial future and are now relishing the results of their efforts. See for yourself, these are genuine earnings from people just like you, who have unlocked the potential of no-face affiliate marketing. So, ready to set off on your expedition towards financial liberation? Let's get you oriented with the first step. Directly beneath this video, you'll discover a hyperlink. This is your passage, your golden ticket into the world of our exclusive no-face affiliate marketing guide. This guide effectively serves as your navigation chart to triumph, delineating the process you'll follow to start making a substantial $20,500 each month. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty details of your first steps after obtaining this guide. Your journey's initial stage entails choosing a niche or product to endorse. You might be asking, what's a niche? Well, consider it as a refined fragment of the market for a specific type of product or service. The options are boundless, from natural skincare products to luxurious pet food. Following this, your next move is to design a platform. This can be a blog, a website, or even a social media page. The allure of no-face affiliate marketing lies in the fact that you can stay under the radar. There's no necessity to reveal your identity or employ your legal name. The focus is solely on promoting the product or service, rather than yourself. Subsequently, you'll sign up for an affiliate program. This is your source for the products or services you'll be promoting on your platform. Our guide comes equipped with a list of trustworthy affiliate programs to aid you in kicking off your journey. The final move is initiating the promotion of your selected product or service. This is where the enchantment transpires. You'll manufacture captivating content that directs traffic to your platform, and for every purchase made via your link, you'll receive a commission. That's right, you'll be generating income in your sleep. So, if you're geared up to break free from the mundane 9-to-5 and embark on a path to financial freedom, it's time to spring into action. Tap on the link below to get your hands on our exclusive no-face affiliate marketing guide and kickstart your journey towards earning $20,500 per month. Don't let financial constraints hold you back. It's time to break free from the shackles of traditional jobs, the 9-to-5 grind, the constant hustle that leaves you drained. Isn't it time you embraced the revolution? The no-face affiliate marketing revolution. A paradigm shift that could transform your approach to earning. Visualize a world where you're no longer trading hours for money. A world where you can generate an income that doesn't require you to compromise your personal life, your dreams, or your peace of mind. This isn't some far-fetched fantasy, it's a reality for many, and it can be yours too. No-face affiliate marketing is more than just a money-making venture. It's about creating a life of freedom, the freedom to work from anywhere, to set your own hours, to spend more quality time with your loved ones, and the freedom to pursue your passions. In this realm of infinite possibilities, earning $20,500 per month isn't an unattainable dream. It's a realistic goal, a reachable milestone. A level of financial success that can revolutionize your life and the lives of those you care for. With no-face affiliate marketing, you're not merely earning, you're constructing a sustainable, scalable business model. A model that thrives on innovation, creativity, and the limitless opportunities provided by the digital world. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a strategic, methodical blueprint for building wealth, a process that involves understanding the market, identifying opportunities, and leveraging your unique strengths to create a profitable business. But remember, every journey begins with a single step. Your first step? Clicking the below to access our exclusive guide on no-face affiliate marketing. It's your portal to understanding this revolutionary approach to earning. So, take that step. Embrace the revolution. Ignite your journey to financial freedom and success, because the only obstacle standing between you and your dreams is action. So take action. Join the no-face affiliate marketing revolution today and set your path ablaze towards success with Inspire Ignite. Because remember, the best view comes after the hardest climb. Let's conquer this mountain together.